Hello everybody, Chef Lorious here. Welcome back to the Love Lab. Today we're making no churn ice cream. Summer is here. It's time to get it in. The kids are super excited. My kids are excited. Let's jump right in. All right, now this is an easy no churn ice cream, okay? Here we go. This is the quick one. You start this in the morning, it'll be ready by dinner. 2 cups of heavy cream. We're going to put this into our mixer, okay? And what we're gonna do is turn this into a whipped cream. Now to turn it into whipped cream, what we do is we whip it, and we whip it real good, moms, okay? I shouldn't just say moms. While that's doing it, we're gonna go over here to some sweetened condensed milk. This is that super sweet stuff. You want a whole can of it, okay? And you're just gonna put it into a separate bowl. All right, so you're at 2 ingredients so far. Heavy cream or heavy whipping cream, same thing. And 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And use the whole can. This is where your sweetener is gonna come from, okay? You're not gonna have to add any extra sugar because I do believe this is enough, all right? Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our vanilla, or whatever flavor you want. Now, vanilla is kind of the obvious choice here because I'm just doing it basic, but truthfully, you can use whatever you want. Whatever flavor you find, use that, honey. You're gonna put a good teaspoon of vanilla paste in there. I like vanilla paste. It feels to me like it does a little bit more, you know? I don't know. It could all be in my head. That's been known to happen. Now you're gonna get your whisk, and all you're gonna do really is start whisking that vanilla in with the milk, the heavy, the sweetened condensed milk, okay? All right, let's take a peek. Let's see how our cream is. Oh, this is looking good. You see this? See how this is holding up? Look at that. Can you see that? That's a nice stiff peak. You want it to stand on its own with no coaxing. You see how long I'm holding this? It ain't moving. It's ready. It ain't doing nothing. And I'm gonna tell you something else. A secret tip, it's quicker if your cream is nice and cold. So leave that cream in the refrigerator until the last minute and take it out, and you will quickly and easily get stiff peaks. We're gonna take this and we're going to gently fold it into the cream mixture we have here, the milk and the vanilla. Now we wanna be careful with this and not do it too fast, because if we go too fast, we'll overwhelm it and we'll lose all of this light fluffiness, because this aeration is what we really wanted from that cream when we made the whipped cream. So I'm gonna take this and see, I'm just kind of folding it in, not going overboard with the stirring because I just want to fold it in a little at a time. All right, so now we're gonna get ready to put these together to be frozen, because that's like it, okay? All right, just take a look, make sure everything is incorporated. You don't see any big streaks of the condensed milk. All right, looks good. So I've got some individual containers. Okay, these, I don't know if, I think I have more of these than I have ice cream, but you get the point. So we're gonna take these and I'm gonna fill them up and put a little of these, one of these mixes in each one of them. So I'm gonna start with my spoon here, and I'm going to take what is basically vanilla ice cream, okay? I'm gonna put a nice big little amount, kind of, well, medium in here. And I'm going to go first with what the kids have been begging for, Thin Mints. Ever since Girl Scout cookie season, they want these Thin Mints, so I just take and crush them up, okay? Put them in there like that, see there? Okay, then I'm gonna get some more ice cream on top, like that, okay? And I'm gonna get a smaller spoon and give it a simple stir, just to get everything mixed around, see there? And if you say, oh, that's not enough cookies, Mom, we can solve that. There we go. And this one is ready for the freezer. So after about 4 or 6 hours, we'll take it out and we'll have Thin Mint ice cream. All right, let's build another one. Ooh. Okay, this one's gonna be what Mama wants. And I love toffee. So I've got some little toffee bits here I love. Sprinkle them in. And you might think I'm putting in too much. Then you know what? Put in less. That's the thing. Do you, boo. Up, 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 up. And ready. Next up Now next I'm gonna do kind of a chocolate candy. You know, the letter chocolate candies. The letter that comes before N and N. But what I've done is, like I said, I chopped them up before because once this freezes, it's gonna be very difficult to bite into it. So you want it to be small, okay? So I have some of these candies. I just have the plain chocolate kind. You can get any flavor or any type you want. This one might not be as full. That's okay. This one I'm gonna put some chocolate swirls in. Because you know, it turns out around here, it's not a big chocolate household, but my little guy, 8-year-old, loves chocolate. So what I'm gonna do though, is just swirl a little like that, see there? Okay, start with that swirl. Then I'm gonna put the rest of this in there, like so. Now this one I'm gonna do a little different. I'm gonna take the back of the spoon and just gently move it around. See how I'm doing that? I'm not mixing it in like I did the others. I'm just kind of putting a little chocolate syrup in there to go with the flavor and spreading it. So it's not, oh yeah, it's not quite chocolate ice cream, but it's like a chocolate vanilla swirl. All right, just like that. We're gonna take these now. We've got 4 little individual ice creams. I'm gonna take these, put them in the freezer 4 to 6 hours. So start it in the morning, they'll be ready by dinner, and everybody can have their own little ice cream, or we can share. We'll figure out how we wanna do it. All right, I'll see you in about 6 hours or so. Eat some ice cream. Well, it has been 5 hours. I couldn't wait any longer. And look at these beautiful ice creams that came out. This is the M&M. Oh, I'm sorry, N and N, right? Look at that. Can you see how beautiful that is? I'm gonna see, oh, perfect texture. I taste the candy. Oh my God. This is the toffee. See that? They all came out perfectly. The texture is awesome. It's a firm ice cream, but the longer it stays in the freezer, the firmer it will become. By having it in these individual containers though, here's the chocolate swirl. Look at that, let me see. Oh, see, you know it's right when I gotta figure out how to cover that up, you see? I hope you make some ice cream, some quick, easy, no churn ice cream, and I hope you dressed it up with your favorite flavors. Thanks for joining me. I'm Chef Lorious. I will see you next time right back here in the Love Lab for more of this good Alabama cooking. Have a great day and happy cooking.